What's up?
Nada, what are you doing?
I'm ready to go back to bed.
Yeah, I know the feeling.
No, yesterday was a long day. I know it was a long day for you too.
Yeah.
I actually didn't, not working on shop customers, but I was here until 11:30 last night.
Yeah, I think you were here pretty late last night.
Yeah, I had a personal customer come with a Maserati. Yay. No, it's a cool car.
Yeah.
I am changing the rotor out. We got the old one that you can tell it's been there for a minute.
That's actually rusty.
Yeah.
So to show you guys, that is what it's supposed to look like.
Fresh and so clean.
Right?
Yeah. So, even the Advance thing here is
Yeah.
crusty a little bit, but it's all right. It, came in running.
Yeah.
We're just giving it a nice tune-up so it stays running, purring like a kitten. You'll see that we already did spark plugs, wires. So yeah, I'll get the new cap on here in a minute. And put the wires. Luckily I got the firing order, so we're good on that. Because my memory's not as good as it used to be.
I know that feeling.
But that's all right. That's what we got Google for. Even though Google's... wait. I'm older than Google. Damn it.
So am I.
Well, you're as old as dirt, but that's besides...
No, just because I catered the Last Supper doesn't mean anything.
Right? Yeah. Yeah. We'll get this bad boy purring like a kitten again. That's on there nice and tight. Now, I gotta put the top back on, but I was gonna show... speaking of rusty, but the leads, all these connectors, they're nice and clean. We got the new piece on the bottom with the rubber. So, like I said, I'm gonna clean that piece up real quick. We'll get that bolted on, slap that bad boy back in, and put the wires back on. And then power steering lines. We can fire it up. Bleed the power steering pump and the gearbox, because that's all new.
Yep.
And put the tires on, basically.
Yeah.
And then I think we're waiting on some new rims.
I know they're supposed to be coming in. I just don't know when.
Yeah. So when those come in, we got 2 new front tires for this thing, and we can align it. And this thing go home.
Oh yeah, no, exactly.
For now, at least for now. I know there's more on the list, but this is one of those things. A little bit here and there.
Yeah, exactly. No, and we're thankful and honored that we were given the privilege to work on it, because it really, look at this, guys.
Car.
This is a beautiful, beautiful old school Camaro. Berlinetta, 79. I mean, it's in amazing condition. It really is. But yeah, but on that note, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
Later.